What is your name?
My name is Morgan.
And are you okay? This is good, Morgan. This is good stuff, right? They're going to use all this. This is fun.
Oh my God.
Okay, so what is your job at Beecon Recovery?
I am the rehab administrator.
But you do more than that, though.
Yeah,
Don't you do neuro as well?
I do neurofeedback, yes.
So you do neurofeedback, but you're also working in the front office.
Yes.
You started off in neuro,
Mhm.
and you decided that you wanted to expand, and we offered you the opportunity to work at the front,
Yes.
which is now, what'd you call that, a what?
A rehab administrator.
What does a rehab administrator do?
We do all the intakes. So like we're the ones who take the calls for people who are inquiring about Beecon Recovery.
So in essence, I'm going to turn the timer on. In essence, would you say that you're the first person they see when they call or come to Beecon Recovery, correct?
Yes.
Describe that to me. What happens?
Yeah, so we're the people in the office. So when they first come into Beecon Recovery, we're the ones who kind of get their background, a little bit about what they've been through, a little bit of their story, and then we just offer them resources, kind of just guide them through on what like the treatment at Beecon Recovery is going to look like.
Find out about their insurance.
Yeah, their insurance, what their, what like the guidelines are here. We also do sober living, so if they are going to be going into the house, we make sure their UAs are clean. They have to be clean for 2 weeks before they are able to move into the house, so we UA them.
Okay.
Find out what kind of medications they're on, get them in the initial with the doctor.
Make sure their insurance is good. I think we talked about that already,
Yes,
right?
yeah, and yeah, insurance, yes.
Okay. Then once you do that, the next step is they should get scheduled, right? What's the next part after that?
So then they're going to meet with a therapist to get in ASX, and that is kind of an assessment for like a mental health evaluation, substance abuse evaluation, and then the therapist will determine their level
Can
of care.
somebody come to treatment at Beecon Recovery without getting the assessment?
No.
So they have to get the assessment.
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, they can call, we do a pre-assessment, a background search, and
And why are you working at Beecon? Out of all the places you could work, why are you working at Beecon?
because I feel like it serves as a purpose here for me. I graduated this program. So I'm in recovery myself, so I have that lived-in experience, so I feel like I can relate to a lot of those people, all the people.
So
that
you
walk our
graduated from
doors.
this program?
I did.
Yeah, so you went through this program,
I did.
obviously, if you graduated, right?
Yeah, yep,
So you're not just a hair club member, right?
yeah.
So you are a graduate from Beecon Recovery, and so this program literally assisted you with finding yourself.
Yeah, oh yeah, it saved my life.
Well, you did the work, we just showed you how to do it,
Yeah.
right? Okay, so I think that's good. I mean, this was just an opportunity. You know, when you go to the websites and it says meet the team and it shows a picture, then it shows like a little paragraph or two.
Yeah.
I got this idea. Instead of, we can still do that, but off to the side, there's going to be a little video like this one
Yeah.
that's going to have Morgan say what you just said, which is why you're at Beecon, what you did, what you do at Beecon.
Yeah.
And they're just going to see it instead of read it.
Yeah.
And once again, you're still going to put that verbiage on there. So I think we're good.
Okay, I
Okay.
love that. Thank you.
Okay. Thank